Hi, I'm Van Michael C. Gonzalez from BSHM3. Today I'm gonna make my own cocktail and here's my ingredients. We have a lemon, Sprite, the Bargin, and an ice cube. So let's go with the procedure. Madali lang siyang gawin. First, kailangan lang natin buksan ang the Bargin at isalin hanggang sa magkalahati ang baso na to. Next, kailangan natin ang Sprite. Woo! Next is kailangan lang natin hatiin ang ating lemon. Yan. And after that, kailangan lang din natin lagyan ng ice cube. Woo! And here's the final product. At tinatawag ko itong White Mountain. So, let's have a drink. Thank you for watching.